I've been around architecture most of my life, coming from the Pavarini construction family. And my grandfather built iconic buildings in New York City, such as Seagram Building, which changed the vernacular of architecture, Lincoln Center, as well as 5 Wings on the Met.
I joined the firm 19 years ago, and I was immediately drawn to Charles's incredible ability for embellishing a space with color, texture, and light. His ability to express dramatic elements in interior design is one of his strongest fortes.
In our firm, texture, color, light is key. Those 3 elements are some of the basic elements of design, not just to illuminate a space, but to actually get some type of drama in a space, and not to see where the light's coming from, but to see the effect of light, giving more depth to our interiors. I am manic about detail. In the fabric selections and details on cabinetry, inlaid stainless steel into mahogany, unusual drapery treatments. We want to develop new ways of using materials. We used 10 pounds of eyeshadow in a clear coat on the wall finish. It gave us a chameleon paint treatment, something that's never really thought of, something new, something different. When you see the new buildings that are being built, these huge towers, that's what we geared our recent Kips Bay room around. And it was to be a very metropolitan Manhattan room. A space that has a reflection of a bygone era, but moving it forward, making it fresh, making it new.
It all started out with the fireplace design and the perfect symmetry that the room presented. The counterbalancing asymmetry created the tension in the room that was the lifeblood of the design integrity of the room. And from that stemmed a thread and theme of asymmetry that presented in every arrangement throughout the space. We consider ourselves to be architectural interior designers.
Why we say we're architectural interior designers is because all of our work is done on CAD. And this is why we work really beautifully and seamlessly with architects, is because we speak the same language as the architects. And it becomes a banter between us and the architect.
Just as the architect is doing roof details and molding details, we're doing lighting pocket details and flooring transition details and marquetry details for the cabinetry. Each and every detail in our rooms is drawn in CAD so that we can share it with all of the parties on the project so that it's executed with precision.
I've always believed that a successful interior is a constellation. All the pieces need to revolve around each other. They don't necessarily have to marry each other, but they need to have some type of language and some type of communication between the pieces.